Hi guys, guess where I am? Yes, in the most innovative place in Prizren. The size of the park is 14 acres and comprises 56 buildings and several open plots further developed. Just so you know, FOSS4G will welcome you here with the best spaces to work and also to have fun at. The Innovation and Training Park Prizren offers space to businesses and startups, vocational education and training institutions, and also research and innovation activities. Here you can attend all the social activities, networking and getting to know each other, if you know what I mean. You will be here for a whole week, enjoying the nature that surrounds the center, cultural spaces, good food, and even a running track. Let's go! Oh no, I'm too old for this. As you can see, inside this building will be organized some of the talks by FOSS4G speakers, participants, and a whole lot of people that are attending this event. What? I'm just waiting for my food to come. You will also join me here at the food court, enjoying the best food you ever had. Where is your PC setup? You have all these working stations that you have the chance to create amazing stuff for us to enjoy. Also, talks and workshops will take place here. And for those who want to stay closer to the venue, you can also book accommodation here as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's all meet up here and let the fun in the June begin. See ya!